Good morning, children. Okay, let us continue the lesson. Okay, the southern plateau. Yes, in our previous class, up to where we had discussed means about that central highlands means division in that southern plateau. They had divided like two division. That is also by the help of that Narmada Valley. Narmada Valley has divided the southern plateau into two major parts. Okay, one is central highlands, another one is Deccan plateau, like that. Okay, so in previous class we discussed about the central highlands, and also in the central highlands again there is two divisions. What are the two division means? One is Malwa plateau, another one is Chota Nagpur plateau. We have discussed up to Chota Nagpur plateau. Yes, next major division in that southern plateau is the Deccan plateau. Second one is, that is not division in these two. Got it? This is main division, the central highland and the Deccan plateau. In that main division, central highland we already completed. So next one is the Deccan plateau. The Deccan plateau. Okay, yes. This is covered below part of that Narmada Valley. Got it? Above part is called as Central Highlands. Below part of that Narmada Valley is called as Deccan Plateau. Understood? Yes. Previously we discussed that Central Highlands are very rich in minerals. Okay. What about this Deccan Plateau? This is bordered by in that previous page number 39, they have given the map of that southern plateau. Okay, so refer that map. This Deccan plateau is bordered by the Western Ghats and also the Eastern Ghats. Okay, in western part it has bordered by the Western Ghats. In eastern side it has bordered by the Eastern Ghats. Middle part is called as a Deccan Plateau in the southern part of India. Got it? Yes. So this Deccan Plateau is popular for that rivers. Many different rivers are flowing in this region. In the region of Deccan Plateau. What are that main rivers are flowing in the region of Deccan Plateau means? In that also some rivers are flowing from west to east direction. Got it? They are reaches to the Bay of Bengal. Means what are the river flowing from western side to eastern side? They are reaches to the Bay of Bengal. Some rivers are flowing in different reverse direction. Some rivers are flowing from eastern side to western side. Means that rivers are finally reaches to the Arabian Sea. Understood? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಏನಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಡೆಕ್ಕನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ಯೂದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಹೌ ದಟ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಹೈಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಮಿನರಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಆ ಥರದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಡೆಕ್ಕನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ಯೂದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸೆವರಲ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್. ತುಂಬಾ ಒಂದು ವೆರೈಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇದೇನಾಗಿದೆ, ಬೈ ದ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್, ಬೈ ದ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾಸ್ ಇದೇನಾಗಿದೆ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಂದ ಈಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಸೈಡ್ಗೆ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಫೈನಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಬೇ ಆಫ್ ಬೆಂಗಾಲ್ಗೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Some rivers are flowing from reverse direction, means eastern side to western side. Eastern side ಇಂದ western side ಗೆ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗುವಂತ ಒಂದು ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫೈನಲಿ ಅದು ಹೋಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅರೇಬಿಯನ್ ಸೀಗೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Understood? This is about that. Then what are the states covered under this Deccan Plateau means? Some parts of that Madhya Pradesh. Okay, some parts of Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Maharashtra, even Karnataka also. Got it? Our state also comes under the Deccan Plateau. And Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. These all states are comes under the division of Deccan Plateau. Okay. Yes. What are the river? I told someone is flowing into the Bay of Bengal. Some rivers are flowing into the Arabian Sea. Then what are the rivers are flowing in this direction, in different direction means that Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, these all rivers are flowing from western to eastern direction, and these rivers are reaches to the ಬೇ ಆಫ್ ಬೆಂಗಾಲ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಬೇ ಆಫ್ ಬೆಂಗಾಲ್ಗೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಂದ ಈಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಸೈಡ್ಗೆ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ರಿವರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಮಹಾನದಿ, ಗೋದಾವರಿ, ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಕಾವೇರಿ. ಓಕೆ, and also this Narmada and Tapi, these two rivers, main rivers are flowing from eastern side to western side. Got it? Which are the rivers flowing from eastern direction to western direction means that is Narmada and Tapi. Got it? These two rivers are another some rivers are there. Main rivers are these two. These two rivers are reaches to the Arabian Sea. Understood? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ, ಮಹಾನದಿ, ಕಾವೇರಿ, ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬೇ ಆಫ್ ಬೆಂಗಾಲ್ಗೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಟು ಈಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನರ್ಮದಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ತಾಪಿ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ನೋ that rivers are flowing from eastern side to western side. So that rivers are reaches to Arabian Sea. Okay, yes. While we are discussing about that northern mountain, okay, we discussed about in that division also about the rivers. Is it right? We already discussed about some rivers flowing in northern region, northern part of India. Comparing to that northern part of Indian rivers and also the southern part rivers, that is lot of difference in that two types of rivers. That northern part rivers are called as perennial rivers. You already know about that. Okay, and also now what we are discussing about southern region rivers alva. ಇವಾಗ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಸದರ್ನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಸೀಸನಲ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? Why it is calling as a seasonal rivers means that a word only shows to you, word only telling to you what is that a meaning. Means it is depending on the seasons. These rivers flowing, that process is depending on the seasons. So these rivers are called as the seasonal rivers. Okay, means it is not flowing throughout the year. Understood? These seasonal rivers are not flowing throughout the year. Not flowing throughout the year means it is not having water throughout the year. This is the meaning of that. Okay, means these rivers are completely depending on the rainfall. Now I thought clearly understood to you. Got it? It is not fed by the melting snow and any other process. Completely these rivers are depending on the rainfall. In this southern region, if one year we get sufficient rainfall means that rivers are completely full and flowing very completely and also filled with the water in that time. If any year we cannot get a sufficient water, sufficient rainfall means that rivers are dried up very fastly. This is the nature of this seasonal river. Understood? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲ? ಈ ಸೀಸನಲ್ ರಿವರ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ರೇನ್ಫಾಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಇದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ರೇನ್ಫಾಲ್ ಆದರೆ ಈ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಅವೈಲಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಫ್ ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಸಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ರೇನ್ಫಾಲ್, ದಟ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಡ್ರೈಡ್ ಅಪ್ ವೆರಿ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ಬೇಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡ್ರೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ seasonal rivers flowing in the southern part of India, especially in the Deccan Plateau. Yes. Next about comparing to that perennial rivers. Comparing to that perennial rivers, these seasonal rivers are flowing too fastly. Why it is flowing speedily or fastly? ಯಾಕೆ ಇದು ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? Because these Deccan Plateau, these southern regions are one of the slope region. Okay, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವಿವಾಗ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದಲ್ಲ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಇದು ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಅಂತ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? No, this southern part is comparing to that in northern region there is plain area. We already studied about that northern plains ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನಾರ್ತನ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ಒಂದು ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. there is no hills, there is no slope region. Okay, ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸದರ್ನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ರೀಜಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ in this part, that rivers are moving too fastly. Not only moving too fastly, these rivers are made some waterfalls also, create some waterfalls. Very good example near to us, Jog Falls. Got it? Through the Sharavati river, this Jog Falls has made here, very near to us also. Why falls is made here? We can't see in that northern plain region any falls and all. ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇದೆಯಾ ನಾರ್ತನ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ? ನೋ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾನ್ಸೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಮಗೆ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ, ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗಿ ಬೇರೆ ರೀಜಿಯನ್ಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ವಾಟರ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ರೀಜಿಯನ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, these rivers are making very different, creating different waterfalls in this region. Okay, not only Jog Falls, many other different falls we can see in our region because we are living in the area of Deccan Plateau. Artha aaytu alva? Yes. Next, that is about the rivers and creating waterfalls. Okay, not only creating that waterfalls, some deltas also they are creating. Got it? When they are finally reaches to the sea or a ocean, that rivers are creating some delta. We already discussed about delta. What is the meaning of delta here? Delta means nothing. When that rivers are finally reaches to the sea or a ocean, near that mouth of that ocean or a sea, again that rivers are dividing like that and finally reaches into the sea. Got it? In between that division, that is creating a triangle shape of the land. See here, delta means this is the region of sea or a ocean. Okay, one main river is flowing like that, finally it has to reach to the sea. Got it? Before it reaches to the sea or a ocean, that river is dividing like this, means flowing of water is dividing like this. Got it? Finally reaches to the sea. This middle triangle shape of land is called the delta. Understood? Means this is the water body, this is the water body, this is the water body, middle part is land. That middle triangle shape of land is called the delta. Understood? Yes. So next about dams. Many different dams are built to these rivers, these seasonal rivers. Okay, to store the water for the purpose of agricultural activities or the purpose of producing electricity. Okay, very good example is this Jog Falls also, Sharavati river, they have built dam there. Okay, like many other different rivers, by using that different rivers we can see in the region of Deccan Plateau many other different dams also. They are providing water to many different sources, many different purpose they are using. Understood? So this is about the Deccan Plateau. I thought it is clearly understood to you. Read this lesson once. Okay, try to find that try to write about any 5 names of different dams located in the Deccan Plateau, built in the place of Deccan Plateau. That is homework for you. Again I will send through the WhatsApp. Okay, thank you.